Hello guys, welcome again to Ratchet Clank from the HD collection. Now we're at planet Orxon, but this time with Ratchet. Finally. I'm just going to get these bolts. And now we're going to continue our adventure. Let's go back down there. These guys over here, they're extremely powerful. Seriously. So, but when they're asleep, be sure to maintain them that way. If you guys see that over there, that little one, probably should kill him because he can wake up big ones. Wow, they have a very deep sleep. Oh crap, they woke up. Fuck. So, I think I'm going first this way. Oh crap, he woke up. No. Might as well run. Oh crap. Oh, almost died here. I was adjusting my headphones and because of that almost died. I could have passed, whatever. In this part the checkpoints are really unforgiving. Okay, now for the swing shot. Bastards, freaking birds. Hate these birds. I hate the fact that we don't have any kind of lock-on mode. I mean, we have lock-on mode, strafing mode. Get away, bastard. Oh yeah, now that spaceship fires at us. Ah! Fuck. And as you guys can see, we start from here. That's why fuck this, and I'm going to try to go fast. Oh, come on. I usually can bypass the first one, but it didn't work. Oh, come on! Fuck these birds. I bet I'm going to die in this place. I actually didn't, but I'll die pretty soon. Fuck you! I hate these fucking birds. I hate birds in video games. Oh, of course. They don't even attack me, they only touch me. This is incredible. Good for nothing birds. Fuck, where's the last one? Didn't notice. Come on! Trying to be fast so that this part won't be long, but screw this, they want this to be longer. And I don't really have the patience to be killing all the enemies. Here, when I'm using these places, I can't even use my weapons. What? Screw you. Finally.
Hello again, everyone. Supreme Executive Chairman Drek here to fill you in on our progress. We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet, one which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed. That's why we've created this! The Planet Buster Maximus, a device capable of blowing an entire planet into subatomic particles. We're quite proud of it. Here's how it works. We attach the Planet Buster to this ship, fly it into orbit around the planet, and let it go. Kaboom!
Just wait a second, guys.
Once our trained professionals put the
Wait.
finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
Look, I'm still gunning for Quark. If we end up taking out Drek too, hey, fine. What?
You do care.
Don't push it, pal.
I'm back. This part, if you guys don't remember, we passed through here as Clank. Ah. Can enter this door. It showed that it had opened or something like that. No, screw you. Yay, gold bolt. Yeah, I knew it was here, so it's one of the few gold bolts that I remember, because I didn't find this on my first playthrough, so I had to use a guide. Oh, what the hell? How did this guy come here? Now we're going to go through the other route. What? Okay. Dude, what the fuck? Well, this time I'm full health now, so. Yeah, this guy. He accompanies us through our trip. Dude, what the hell? I went. Okay. Is there something in this place? I don't think there's need in killing those guys, so I'm not going to do so. I want to maintain myself alive, so. Screw these guys. No! Oh, I didn't notice that they saw me. Fuck this shit. Yeah. Dude. Okay. I don't get it, why it's so hard to kill those guys. Stop shooting missiles at me. I hate that guy. Can't I simply kill him? What? How did this guy wake up? What is annoying as hell? I think we're almost at the end. Yeah, it's the end here.
This is a premium nanotech dispenser. You can purchase a can to increase your maximum health.
I think I have enough money to upgrade one time my health. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, we have.
This dispenser also carries Ultra Nanotech, the very latest in Gadgetron technology. Ultra Nanotech is 3 times more potent than Premium Nanotech.
It costs 30,000. We almost have it, but in my first playthrough I actually had enough money to upgrade 2 times in a row. I didn't do it, but I was able to do so if I wanted to. I think we have all completed now. Yep. So let's head to Oven, I think. Oven. Let's go.